broken game files or Riot Client glitches. Here's a clean, no BS way to fix it step by step. Method 1, repair via Riot Client. Easiest. 1. Open Valorant. 2. Click the settings icon in the top right. Go to Valorant settings. 4. Click repair. 5. Wait for it to scan and fix corrupted files. This solves most update issues automatically. Method 2, restart Riot services. Very effective. Sometimes the update gets stuck because Riot services bug out. 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC open Task Manager. 2. End these processes. Riot Client, riotclientservices.exe, valorant.exe. 3. Press Win plus R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Find VGC, Riot Vanguard. Right-click, restart now, relaunch the game. Tab Method 3, reinstall Riot Vanguard, common fix. Riot's anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, often causes update failures. 1. Go to Control Panel, uninstall a program. 2. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. 3. Restart your PC. 4. Launch Valorant again. It will reinstall Vanguard automatically. Hashtag Method 4. Check Internet and DNS. Restart your router. Try switching DNS. Google DNS 8.8.8, 8.4.4. Avoid VPNs while updating. They often break Riot patch servers. 5. Delete cache files. Advanced fix. 1. Press Win-R. Type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Delete Riot Games folder. Only cache, not main install. 3. Restart PC and try updating again. Method 6. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus tools block patch files. Turn it off temporarily. Update Valorant. Turn it back on. Last option. Full reinstall. If nothing works, 1. Uninstall Valorant plus Riot Client. 2. Delete leftover folders in C/Riot Games. 3. Download fresh from official site. 4. Reinstall. Extra tip. Make sure you're running the Riot Client as administrator. Your Windows is updated. If you want, tell me the exact